This time make your own DIY birthday hat for your birthday and celebrate your birthday in style.
Subscribe to Creativity and Simplicity and hit the bell icon to get future updates. If you like this video, then hit like and do let us know your thoughts in the comment section.
Before making the birthday hat, let us make a template. You can use this template to make a lot of birthday hats in lesser time. To make the template, you will need a chart paper in rectangular shape. Fold the chart paper to make a cone and stick it using sellotape. You will get a hat-like shape. Again mark with a pencil and now remove the tape. Cut it like this. You have got a template. It will look like this. Again, take a strip of kite paper and cut it in the same way. Now roll it to make it look like a flower. Once you get the shape, paste it to make it like a birthday hat. Now it's decoration time. Take a strip of kite paper and fold it like this, and then cut it in this way. It will look like this. Again, take a strip of kite paper and cut it in the same way. Now roll it to make it look like a flower. Cut a hole on the top of the hat and stick it down. Now I will further decorate it using glitter pen. I will draw stars on the surface. You can make any pattern you want. You can also paste stickers or paper cutouts. The birthday hat is ready, and now you can celebrate your birthday with your friends.
Don't forget to subscribe to Creativity and Simplicity and hit the bell icon for future updates. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, then hit like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.